Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Instant Commission Site, which launched on the 26th of September at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 25th of September, in fact, was the launch date. Apologies for that. Ankur Shukla has launched this excellent new product, and what it essentially is, it's a completely done-for-you website that is preloaded with 50 different ClickBank offers. Now, these offers are fully reviewed. Details are on there showing exactly what the product is, what it does. There are there are demo videos and all sorts of things on there. And literally all that you have to do to use these sites and to promote them is to enter your ClickBank ID, your name and your photo if you want to, and a little bit of a biography to tell people about you. And that is pretty much it. It's a completely done for you, set and forget system where you can earn ongoing affiliate commissions from ClickBank, and all that you have had to do is literally to plug in your ClickBank ID. You will then be given a unique URL. Again, this is hosted for you, so there's no website to buy, there's no domains needed, nothing at all. You just share your link and it will take people to your site, and you just earn the commissions from anything that they buy. It's really as simple as that. So if you've ever wanted your fully loaded review site completely done for you, then you really have come right to the right place with this release from Ankur. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Instant Commission Site from the link immediately underneath this review. Also, anyone that buys any affiliate product from me will automatically be enrolled in my video mentorship coaching program, if you want to be, of course. To join, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just to drop me an email with the subject line video mentorship and include your purchase receipt. And you need to send that to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. I'll give you that one more time. It will be written underneath the affiliate link below this video, but it is just send an email with your purchase receipt with the subject line video mentorship, and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org, and then you will receive 2 videos a week from me training you in different aspects of affiliate and internet marketing. Now, as far as the bonuses for this product are concerned, there are 5 of them, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this timer counts down to 0, at which point they will expire. Now, I don't want that to happen, folks, because as the name suggests, they are custom bonuses, which means that they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of Instant Commission Site, because you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. So what is this all about? Well, Ankur Shukla, as I'm sure a lot of you know, is a super affiliate. There he is. And he makes, pretty much a lot of his money off of his review websites. And he's pretty much sharing his site with you, giving you a generic version of it with your own URL and allowing you to promote that and plug in your own affiliate ID and just make multiple commissions from it. It's really quite a straightforward concept, this one, so I don't need to explain too much, but there is a good walkthrough demo, which you can also see over on my bonus page, which will show you exactly how easy it is to set up. I mean, there's literally about 4 pieces of information you need to enter in, and then you just send people to your link. It's as simple as that. So you can copy Ankur's 1,000 a month affiliate site in just 60 seconds and launch your site, get paid commissions from ClickBank. The good thing about ClickBank commissions, by the way, is that you don't need product approval for offers on ClickBank, so there's no waiting around to get approved for offers. Also, your PayPal account isn't exposed, so if you're concerned about possibly losing your PayPal account because you're promoting Make Money Online offers, well, that doesn't apply because ClickBank uses their own PayPal account to receive commissions, and they pay you out direct to your bank account. So ClickBank 100% safe. Without writing any content or doing any manual work, you can watch the video below here, the sales video, to show you a really easy way to earn commissions from ClickBank. Just some examples of money that's been earned from one of these sites. Is a typical sales page, folks. I'm not going to spend too much time on that, but I will just show you my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This review video will be in here. What's Instant Commission Site all about? Well, you can launch a complete affiliate site with 50 product reviews built in, build your list and earn commissions at the same time. No technical skills, no learning curve, just click, click and done. It's true, folks. Yeah, here are some of the things that you're going to be selling. So you can see there they cover all sorts of niches as well. If you really want to have your site just focusing on one niche, you can take some of these out, by the way. You just where it says enabled, you just turn that off. So if you just want an MMO site, then you can remove some of the stuff that isn't relevant, like this combat fighter and combat shooter review. 12-minute affiliate review. If you're doing MMO, you'd want to keep that in. Text your ex back review. I reckon you wouldn't want that one, so you take that out. So there's all sorts of things in here. Overnight millionaire, you'd want to keep. Power quadrant system, you'd want to keep. Or you may decide that you just want, a site that appeals to multiple niches, and let people browse and choose themselves. Don't prejudge what they might want to buy, and you might want to keep all 50 in. It's entirely up to you, folks. But anyway, you can watch the video here and just see how easy it is to set it all up.
Hey, this is Ankush here, and I want to quickly walk you through how you can set up your instant commission site and start earning commissions from this site. All right. So once you're logged into your site, this is the screen you will see.
So you can see here that you will have an ID to promote, and it's just going to be like reviewsandcoupons.com and then your affiliate ID. So it's a nice cool sounding name, Reviews and Coupons, and that's the site you're going to be promoting. So watch this review video, folks. Sorry, watch this demo video. This will show you everything you need. Really, the setup is just the first couple of minutes or less, and then Anchor will walk you around some of the other features of the site. So what are the bonuses that I'm going to give you with this? Well, firstly, this 1.5 hour training on affiliate marketing for complete beginners, in case you are a complete newbie. And if you're not, you may well learn some additional tips from it anyway. So I would recommend you watch it. The one thing that Anchor doesn't really go into with this product is traffic generation. So let's cover that off for you. Here's 4 free website traffic super hacks that are 2019 hacks that are all working well, that you can use to drive traffic to your new affiliate site. Thirdly, I'm going to show you a way that you can get 200 leads a day using free Facebook traffic. All right, so that's my third custom bonus. Leads are always useful, folks, as I'm sure you know. Fourthly, I'm going to throw this in because it's a much underused resource by internet and affiliate marketers, and that's LinkedIn. LinkedIn Free Traffic Masterclass will show you how to use LinkedIn to get free traffic. Hardly anyone in affiliate marketing is actually using the platform at the moment. And finally, because we're talking about ClickBank, well, why not include something by one of the masters from ClickBank, Patrick Chan? For a long time, he had the best-selling affiliate offer ever on ClickBank. And this, again, is a 1 hour plus tutorial where he unveils some of his super affiliate secrets. I think you'll really enjoy that. So, okay, 5 bonuses there. I hope you can see that they are pretty congruent with the main offer and that they will add value to your front end. So let's just have a look. As I said, nearly out with this one because it's I suppose I'd call it does what it says on the tin site type site. So you don't really need too much of a description because it pretty much does what I've showed you and what you'll see in the video. But here it is, you log in. These are the details you enter in. So you enter in your name. You can put a short or long biography. I don't necessarily recommend you keep it as short as this, but you can if you want. I'm an internet marketer who writes about amazing products that I recommend. And then you can put your photo in. You don't have to, but I do actually recommend that you do because branding's important. Then you put in your ClickBank ID. If you don't have a ClickBank account, there's a tutorial there on how to set one up. And that is it, folks. That is all you need to do. Then you just start promoting your site. This is going to be the URL that you use to promote your site. And then this is what it looks like, reviews and coupons. So power quadrant system. This is like a product. Are you lost? Do you feel you're stuck not knowing what to do? Overnight millionaire, manifestation miracle, all sorts of folks. And then when they click on these, so when they click on read more, they get a full review like this. They get an average score, value for money review. So it all looks pretty cool. And then they just click on the button there, obviously, to go and buy the thing. Yeah. So it's excellent. Imagine being able to launch a ready to promote affiliate site very quickly. I'm not going to insult your intelligence by reading the sales page to you folks, so you can have a look at that. But you can see it's preloaded with 50 products. One-click traffic built in. The traffic that is there is from top social media sites, so you can share the site directly via social media and get free traffic that way. But obviously I've given you some additional ways to get free traffic with my bonuses as well. Okay, so special bonuses from the vendor: live training on making 100k a year in passive income. Welcome Matt WordPress plugin for fast list building. That's a pretty good bonus. And live training, how to drive 100,000 free visitors to your site without any paid ads. So some good bonuses from the vendor there. In terms of price, folks, $27 is all this is for the front end. When you think what you're getting, and there's a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee, I don't think you can really go wrong with this, folks, because especially members of my group, the Elite Tigers group, they love sites where all you need to do is take a URL and share it, because that's what we mostly do in our niche, in our MMO business. We're promoting other sites just with a URL. Well, that's all you've got to do with this one, so it's pretty cool. The upsells, I don't have full details, folks, of what they are, so you will need to have a look on the sales page. I can only tell you what give you a rough idea of what they are and what they cost. So there is a pro upgrade available, but I can't tell you what you get with it, so you'll have to have a look. It's probably unlimited products. So that is $47, and I expect you get new products added every month. I'm just guessing that, folks, but have a look. Then you've got a traffic and leads upgrade, which is $47. You've got an agency license available for $67. You've got an email upgrade available for $47, and then reseller license to sell instant commission site as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the funnel. That is $97. So have a look, and there's no high ticket offer, so everything's affordable. Have a look and see which bits of the funnel you like the look of and pick them up. And that, folks, is really all there is to that. If you would like to pick up these bonuses, just a quick reminder of what they are, then all you need to do is click the green button there. That will take you back through to the sales page. Click on Buy Now. And then after that, that will bring you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of Instant Commission Site, and you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to this one. Very, very good. Going to give it 4.5 stars out of 5, because everything really is completely done for you. So all that remains is for me to thank you, as ever, for listening and watching to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the link underneath, and you will be informed every time I release a new one. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Instant Commission Site.